Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that need to remove or replace transmission guys, splash shield on BMW F30, F31, F34. This is the generation from year 2012 to year 2019 BMW 3 Series guys. Before we start, let me tell you guys, make sure to stay until the end. I want to share something that can cost you $5,000 to $10,000 in future repairs, and we have a solution to that. So watch the video until the end and we'll share quite helpful information. Now let me introduce you to our channel guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, you can find the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price, quick shipping as well. Number two, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, but on this generation BMW we'll have close to 500 videos. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need is guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what we need to do. First, in order to remove the transmission splash shield, you need to remove the engine splash shield so we can get to the transmission splash shield. So we'll start on that, and then we'll continue with this one. Also, if you have this kind of BMW guys, check this channel out, subscribe, Electrical Car Repair Live. We'll put all our diagnostic videos, diagnosing engine lights, airbags, electrical components, things like that will be on that channel. So hopefully the video will be helpful, and let's start on it now. Okay, next step, we're going to lift the car on our little bitty here lift. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get our lift from. So let's go ahead, lift it up now, and we're going to work underneath guys for a little bit of time now. Okay, let's go now. So this is super convenient guys, lift. You can see very quiet, quick. Lift it up enough to get a creeper underneath and do things under the car, so makes it super convenient, by the way. Okay, it has two safety stops. Just jump the first one, now it's going towards the second one. Alright, perfect, that's it. Okay, so let's continue with the next step now. So let's show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, right here, that's the engine splash shield that we'll be removing. Okay, this one, the cover towards the back. Okay, we'll show you how to do that, how to get everything out of the way if you need to. So we're going to get 8mm socket. Okay, 8mm socket here, and we're going to start on it. So 8mm socket, and we're going to go ahead, start on it now. Okay, you can see we're towards the back. That quick jack is amazing guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got it from. It gives you enough room to work on your vehicle so you can use it in your car, garage at home, because big lifts you cannot lift it all the way. They're really hard to install. This one you can just move it wherever you need it to be. So quite a few bolts that we're removing, you can see. Very long splash shield. All right. Perfect, loose on that side. One more. Perfect. I think after that point we just have the ones towards the front that go towards the bumper actually. Okay, I'm gonna support it with my foot a little bit so it's not hanging, not to break it, right? And one more. Careful, always use eye protection because there is sand and dirt dropping here. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, that bottom piece came out just like that. So now for the transmission guys, splash shield. Okay, We needed to remove the other one, okay, so we can get to this one now, otherwise you cannot remove it. So 2 bolts with 10mm socket, okay, 2 bolts with 10mm we're removing now. Wow, and the other one is all the way towards the back, check it out. Oh, those are nuts. Let me see, was that a nut or a bolt? Right there. Okay. Okay, that's a nut. Nuts, guys. 2 nuts with 10mm. Okay, now we need to get the 8mm, and we have quite a few that we need to remove here. All right. So we're almost there. I think we have 3 more. Always watch your eyes. Things will fall, dust, dirt. Support it with your leg if you can. Show your socks. Okay, and the transmission splash shield, okay, you can see, guys, came out, okay, just like that. So that's how we remove the transmission splash shield on BMW, guys, F30, F31, F34. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Now, another thing that I want to show you guys, okay, let me show you right here why we're removing that, because we'll be doing timing chain replacement. Okay, this vehicle has only 70,000 miles, and some years are affected to the point that you can you can jump timing chain, mess up your engine at early mileage, and we have a special video that explains that. And that's another example at 80,000 miles. Okay, what happened? Completely destroyed the timing chain components, guys, on another BMW, just like that, same BMW, same engine. So we'll have a special video that explains how to save you $5,000 to $10,000, and you can do the timing chain replacement on your own. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.